Hello teacher, my name is Stalin Anashapa. This series is chosen is Stranger Things. Stranger Things morning are for coffee and contemplation. Hopper is choose Stranger Things. I love it, this series. That is amazing. My favorite actor is Dustin. He's cheerful. This series is a mouse. This series provoke relax. Summary: The Stranger Things. Episode 1: Will Byers' disappearance. Episode 2: The Crazy Maple Street. Episode 3: It's Alright. Episode 4: The Body. Episode 5: The Flea and the Acrobat. Actors. Once is Millie Bobby. She is normal human. She is beautiful. She is brave. Billy Hangrove is Drake Montgomery. He is adorable. He is a misunderstood boy. He is tall and handsome. He is a secret life. Dustin Henderson is Gaten Matarazzo. He is shy. He is lounging. He is good friend. He is small. Stephen Harrington is Joy Curie. He is a ward. He is a relation with Nancy Wheeler. He is owner of a baseball bat. Mike Wheeler is Finn Wolfhard. He is Nancy's young brother. He is developing romantic feeling for once. He is intelligent student. He is engaged to his friends. Evidence for watch the series in the weekends. Thank you for watching the video, teacher.